So students, this informative lecture is for students who are currently studying in 12th standard, whose examinations are postponed and will be appearing in 12th standard examination in 2021. So, in case you are not eligible in this, then you are in the wrong meeting. Sorry. So you should be studying right now in 12th standard and you are going to appear for 12th standard examination whenever it is declared. Is it all right? What we are having some agenda in this particular meeting, and we will be sticking to that agenda. And the last agenda, as I send you, is question and answer. So let us start with this. Anyone facing any problem regarding connectivity and other problems, you can just text me, or you can just interrupt in the between, and you can just tell me. Start. So first agenda for us was CA course. Now, some of you might be having an idea, some of you might not be having an idea. Believe me, whether you are having idea or not having idea, you will be, this particular chart will be useful to you like anything, because it is an eye view of your position if you are entering into CA course. So, in CA course, you first decide that I want to do CA, and you enter as a student in CA course. And when you exit from CA course, you are termed as member. And in layman terms, they are known as CAs, Chartered Accountants. Member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI in short. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India are termed as Chartered Accountants. How to become CA? How to become member of this institute? Not just by paying fees. There are two categories of it. One is examination. Another is a training. How many examinations will come? First, let's start with examinations. What are examinations? There will be papers, you need to answer them, they are difficult, it is challenging to face this particular thing. In training, this all thing will not be there. So first we are going to examination. There are 3 examinations in CA. Foundation, intermediate, and final. The question arises, sir, when we will be giving this all examinations? Yes, I am going to go in detail as far as foundation and intermediate is concerned. Final, I am not going to go into detail because it is too early at this stage. Foundation, when you will be appearing in foundation examination is November 2021. So understand, it is a high time you start a foundation course right now. Because if right now it is May, June, July, August, September, October, there are only 5 months pending, and you will be having 4 subjects. Which are the subjects, that also I am going to tell you. But first understand, intermediate you will be giving it in November 2022, and CA final you will be giving in November 2025. These are the examinations you will be appearing for. These are the name of examination. Say in foundation, there will be 4 papers. Accountancy, 100 marks. Law and communication, 100 marks. Maths, stats and logic, 100 marks. Economics and BCK, 100 marks. Total marks in foundation examinations are 400. 2 papers, accountancy, law and communication. These 2 questions are multiple choice questions. These 2 papers are multiple choice questions. There will be 4 options, A, B, C, D. You will have to select one. These 2 papers are descriptive papers. As you are writing in your 11th and 12th standard, the mathematics, sorry. These are descriptive papers. Accountancy, it is my mistake. Accountancy, law and communications are descriptive papers as you are writing in your 11th and 12th standard. Mathematics, statistic, logic, economics and BCK. BCK is like your OC. These two are multiple choice questions, 4 options A, B, C, D. You need to appear for all the questions and practically pass the examination. Let me give you passing criteria for foundation. Passing criteria is 50% overall. So what are overall total marks? 400. You should get minimum 200. Sir, in any combination, if I am not getting minimum 200, then you will have to reappear for foundation examination. It is as good as you are failing. Is it all right? Let me give you one example. Say in accounts, I am getting 100 out of 100. In law and communication, I am getting 99. In math, statistic, logic, I am getting 0. And economics and BCK, I am getting 0. My total marks will be 199. I need to reappear. I am failing in foundation examination. I need to reappear in all the examinations once again. So overall 50% and 40% individually. What is 40% individually? Try to concentrate. In any combination, if I am getting, say my marks are 100, 100, 100 and 39. What is my total? 339. So I have satisfied this criteria. But still I will have to appear for all the papers again. I am failing in foundation because I am not getting minimum 40% of marks. So once again, passing criteria is minimum 40%, minimum 40% in individual subjects and 50% in overall all the subjects. This is a passing criteria for foundation. In intermediate, when will be your intermediate due? November 2022, after 1 year of clearing your foundation. In your intermediate, you are having 8 papers. These 8 papers are divided into 2 groups, group 2, group 1 and group 2. Is it all right? So sir, you need to give first 4 papers and then 4 papers. The answer is no. You can give both groups together. But if you feel that it is very difficult, you may give first group and then second group, or first, second group and then first group. But practically, I tell to students, all the students always give 8 papers together and don't consider this group. What are the subjects look like? Accountancy, law, taxation, costing. So those are 2 new subjects. I'm not going into detail of the subjects because it is too early for you to go into detail. Taxation and costing will be taught to you at intermediate level, not even at foundation level. 5th subject is advanced accounts. Auditing, this also is a new subject for you. EIS, SM, this is as good as computers and management. And finance and economics, out of which even finance is new subject for you. But it is too early to talk about it. Each subject carries 100 marks. And passing criteria is the same as foundation. What was passing criteria in foundation? 50% overall percentage, 40% marks. You will in individual subjects you will be passing the examination. So total there are 800 marks. If you give both groups examination together, and you may pass by getting individual all the subjects 40 marks. Overall percentage more than 400 marks. Out of 800 marks, you will be getting 50% of. Final level, I am not writing down the subjects, but understand all the subjects are same as intermediate level. Accountancy will be repeated, law will be repeated, auditing will be repeated, taxation will be repeated, costing will be repeated, finance will be repeated. Everything will be repeated in CA final examination, just it will be at advanced level. Even the passing criteria is same as in intermediate, there is a passing criteria in CA final. It is too early to talk, but try to concentrate one thing, which is exemption. So, if you are getting 39, 39, 39, see individually you are not getting 40 marks, but in costing you have got 80 marks. Then in costing, you have got greater than equal to 60 marks. So, you need to appear for group 1 again, because your individual marks are not 40, which is your passing criteria. But you will not have to appear for costing examination. Costing will be exempted. You don't need to give costing again. This is what exemption means. It is too early because exemption is not applicable in foundation. Exemption is directly applicable in CA intermediate. Final, as I told you, the subjects remain same. Let us go to the main job. So you have given all this examination and you will be getting result of your final examination in approximately February 2025. As far as the training part is concerned, try to concentrate. Training are of two types: theoretical or classroom. Now, this training is given by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. If you are staying in Bhavnagar, there is a Bhavnagar branch of ICAI, which will be giving you this training. Is it all? Another is the practical. You'll have to go to a chartered accountant, work in his office as an employee. In our term, it is termed as articleship, article clerk. You'll have to work over there, get practical experience of CA office, and that will be for 3 years, which is nothing but practical training. Sir, how many classroom training will be conducted? 2. Integrated course of information technology, that is computers, and soft skill, that is English, practically. This will be a training which you will have to pass. Another is not pass, you need to attend it. There are no difficult examinations whereby student fails. You just need to sit over there for specific number of hours and your training will be completed. But this is compulsory portion. Everything written on this board is compulsory. Nothing is optional. Is it all right? Another is advanced integrated course of information technology and soft skills. Is it all right? When this training will come, this first training will come as soon as you appear for your intermediate examination. So this will come in December 2022. Is it all right? And this training will come in January 2025. When you are studying CA final, this training will come. You'll have to complete this training. This all things are done by institute, which is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Is it all right? Now, sir, when to join practical training? Right now, the answer is no. It is when you pass. What is the criteria? When you pass intermediate 1 or both group. So if you pass group 1, your articleship will start. If you pass group 2 only, then your articleship will start. If you pass both the groups, then also your articleship will start. I'll give you even the dates when your articleship will start. That is February 2023 to February 2026. Now, if you see, these dates are matching. When you'll get a result of final is also January 26, and you will be clearing your articleship in February 26. clear your final, clear your articleship, clear all other examinations, all other training, you will be regarded as a member of this institute and apply for membership in ICAI. You need to file a form. You apply in ICAI, they will give you a membership certificate and you become chartered accountant. Alright, this is how you become chartered accountant. You will have to pass the examination. Sir, then what you do? I coach for all the subjects. I do teaching of all the subjects of foundation, intermediate and CA final. Not of course me, along with me there are n numbers of faculties who will be teaching different subjects. But I am engaged in coaching or teaching of the subjects of chartered accountancy course. That's right. So this is the CA course overview. You can take a screenshot, or what you can do is you will be getting a recorded video of this. At that time you can take a screenshot. You will be getting idea of dates. If I pass all the examinations, all the courses first trial, when I will become chartered accountant, when my examinations will be due, you will be having an overview if you are having this chart very handy. Is it all right? Second agenda for this meeting was what after CA? Try to concentrate. First option is job. Start. This is also termed as industry. So you work somewhere. One of our student is working in Tata. One of our student is CFO of one of the company in Dubai. One of our student is working in Flipkart. One of the student is working in Make My Trip. I'm talking about my students. So what you can do is, after becoming chartered accountant, all the company, big company, small company, will require chartered accountant service, either in the field of accountancy, taxation, auditing, finance. In any of the field, they might require service of chartered accountant. They might hire you. Sorry. You will say, sir, what are the pays? It depends upon individual. If you are good at English and Excel, which is computers, you will not go below 40,000 rupees per month. If you are weak in English as well as Excel, you will not go below 15,000 rupees per month. So minimum is 40,000, assuming you are knowing somewhat English and computers. So somewhat. I'm not talking about you are expert in English and computers. Somewhat you are able to communicate in English and computers. You will not go below 40,000 per month. K is 1,000. Minimum 40,000 per month. What is upper limit? It is infinite. It depends upon your caliber, your risk-taking ability, your practical approach, your business approach. Say our railway minister is chartered accountant. There are chartered accountants who are authors. There are chartered accountants who are teachers like me. There are chartered accountants who run coaching classes. There are chartered accountants who do n numbers of other. There are chartered accountants who does business on their own. They are engaged in startups. Is it all right? So it depends what is your caliber, and believe me, there is no upper cap in it. Is it all right? Neither in job industry, neither in CA in practice. You can go in practice. Now what is practice? Practice is opening your own office. See, it is like doctor. Doctor may be working in government, may be working in some hospitals. See, when I say industry, even government is included. There are government jobs which are done by CA. So in practice, you open your own office, like doctor opening his own clinic. Is it all right? You open your own office. Here, the minimum depends upon where you stay. What you need to do, again, you are working in the field of accountancy or finance or auditing or taxation, or any of them or all of them. Sorry. But you are having your own office, you'll have to find clients, you'll have to work from them and for them, and client will pay you the fees. Sorry. There is other options. Like me, I am a teacher and content creator. There are businessmen who are chartered accountant. There are politicians who are chartered accountant. There are n numbers of fields. Ultimately, CA will give you a base to be successful in your life. It is not so, believe me, that if you become chartered accountant, you are successful. It will give you a good platform to become successful in your life. So these are basically three options, but these are n numbers of other options. Is it all right? But practically, if you tell some chartered accountant, they will say there are two options: industry or practice. These are the two options which you can opt after becoming chartered accountant. Is it all right? Our third point was classes at Lakshya. So till the time this pandemic ends, we are going to learn online. Now see, you are watching this class and this is the same technology. There are two other studios whereby the technology is different, but this is one of the classroom for our intermediate foundation as well as CA final student. So in this, everything is computerized, so you will not have to write down the questions. Sorry. Even this answers which are written by me, you get it in PPT or PDF form. So even if you don't write down at your home, prepare the notes, whatever I am writing. But yes, some of our student feels that if it is written on their own, it is better. Then they write down the notes. But this is a quality which is given. And believe me, this is not India class quality. This is world class quality. I've seen lectures of Harvard. I don't claim we are better than them, but we are no bad than, as compared to Harvard. We are not even bad. Is it all right? So we are having latest sound technology, we are having latest video technology, we are having latest recording technology. Everything is world class. Sorry. So if there are online lectures, it will be in this form. I believe that this year that you need to be comfortable with online, because offline there are less chances. Even if there are chances, some of the individuals, some of the students, some of the family members of students might be affected and they might individually not be able to attend the lectures. So online lectures, you need to be comfortable. You are comfortable because you have done your 12th standard online. Only few of the months only you have attended offline. But my point is, you should be comfortable in online, and believe me, I'll give you some WhatsApp messages of my students, of final students especially. They say me, sir, don't keep offline lectures, keep only online lectures. Keep only online lectures, because they are very much now comfortable with it. They can sleep in their bed and just watch the lectures. But yes, you should be serious enough in attending online lectures. If you feel that, okay, sir is speaking and sir will be sending a recording lectures and we'll be seeing afterwards, it will be difficult. But we are having a continuous monitoring system also. There will be one person from our office who will be attending the lecture, and he will be taking care of attendance, sometimes videos. And I normally be interactive in the classroom, in online classroom also. So if I speak someone's name, they cannot be anywhere. Is it all right? They need to be near their mobile or computers. Is it all right? So the lectures will be online lectures. All 4 subjects will be covered. All online lectures, immediately after completion of the lectures, you will be getting YouTube link, which you can watch afterwards also. So if you have missed out something, say from the seminar, you can always see that recorded lecture and see the lecture. Also, we are having collaboration with Naukar Institute, Ahmedabad. So you will be having this one recorded lectures of Lakshya Academy, one recorded lectures of NDI app, Naukar Digital Institute app. See, some of the students practically are foolish. They directly purchase NDI app from website. Now this should not be done. Try to understand what will happen. I will tell you. I am giving you dual offer. You will be getting Lakshya lectures also, you will be getting NDI lectures also, and whenever physical classroom starts, this will continue, and physical classroom is an addition. Sorry. So, practice, this is having an MRP of 27,500. Our classes are having fees of 35,000. All right. So in 35,000, you are getting n numbers of additional benefit. You will be getting full access to NDI app as if you are student of Ahmedabad. We are having a collaboration in such a manner that you will be getting all access of NDI app. Even our question paper comes from Ahmedabad. The checking is done in Bhavnagar, but the question papers which will ask you in class test or prelims comes from Ahmedabad. Is it all right? So this is an additional benefit. Is it all right? So, sir, whenever we go into classroom, we will be getting online lectures of Lakshya. The answer is yes. Is it all right? Online lectures of Lakshya are already recorded. You will be getting version of our lectures as far as online lectures of Lakshya are concerned. Whenever we move to offline, then also we are having an AC, not world-class classroom, but a classroom, good enough classroom. It is at EVA Complex, Waghavadi Road. So there will be also not a problem. We are having individual chairs and everything is perfectly fantastic in offline classroom also. Same teachers will be teaching you foundation course who are teaching you online at Lakshya Academy. Sorry. So this will be our teaching pattern as far as Lakshya Academy is concerned. Right now you should be comfortable with online. Right now, is it all right? Right now the situation is saying that still more 15 to 20 days there will be online lectures. Yes. One most important question, sir, what when exams of 12th are declared? See, all students are different students. There are students who may continue till last 10 days. There are students who might be having some work in 12th standard, the work to do, or some subjects might be pending, some topics might be pending. They might be ready to not devote more than 20 days. Is it all right? Before the examination, they want a gap of 20 days. Is it all right? But understand, it is absolutely all right. We will be giving you 12 to 15 days gap before your examination starts. So we will not be having any lectures. But if some of you want to take full 1 month off, then also it is absolutely all right, because this all lectures will be recorded. Yes, your work after 12th standard will increase, because if normal student is hearing lecture of 3 hours, you will have to hear it for 6 hours. Is it all right? Because you need to cover up that 10-15 days lectures which you have skipped before examinations. We will be giving that option to all the students, but an ideal time is 12 to 15 days we will be giving you free. You might be all very comfortable in your 12th standard, and so 12 to 15 days gap is more than enough as far as this particular thing is concerned. There are other questions from student also. Will be going to question and answer, but these are the questions which I have already received. They say, sir, this will affect my 12th standard studies. I say absolutely no. Your percentage might increase. It will never decrease. It might increase. It will never decrease. Is it all right? So this is classes at Lakshya Academy. Is it all right? Last part of our agenda of this meeting is question and answer. You just need to unmute yourself. If you are comfortable, you may even start your video and ask your question. Any student having any question? Even Kunal sir is present, so even
Sir, you have said our session will start from 15th May, but we haven't registered, then we can join it.
See, Vandan, as far as our batch is concerned, let me give you some information about batch also. It will start from 15th of May 2021. If you have not registered, see in your group, WhatsApp group that we have done, for first 10 days, you will be getting a link. Is it all right? But say you are in dilemma whether to join or not. Is it all right? You may attend the lectures, register right now. Is it all right? What you need to do, send your name, telephone number and 12th. Writing 12th. The 12th is a class in which you are studying right now. Send it on my WhatsApp number. You need to write down your name, not just name, your mobile number and 12, and send it to my WhatsApp number, which is 9427503444. One. You will be getting registered. Now, once you are getting registered, that does not mean you will have to pay the fees or you will have to attend CA course. Now you can attend our full-fledged classes for 10 days. After that also you might take a decision. So once registered, you need to pay the fees. That is not the concept. Here, try to understand. Some of you might be having a decision that whether to do CA or not. But if you are absolutely confirmed that you are going to do CA course, then you need to pay the fees. First installment is 5,000. You need to pay it as and when you want in that particular 10 days. But yes, after 10 days, we will be somewhat strict in attendance also, in your regularity also, in your homework also, in all the criteria we need to become somewhat strict. But in 10 days, you will be getting an idea whether you can cope it up or not.
Sir,
Yes.
that means that 10 days are trial lectures?
The use of word trial lectures is not proper, but if you take it in good sense, yes. What I mean to say is, what's your name?
Zara.
Zara. What I mean to say is, if you are in dilemma whether to attend, whether to go for CA course or not, yes, it is a trial lecture. Is it all right? You may attend it, then take a call whether to do CA or not. Is it all right? You may attend it to see the quality of lecture also. Is it all right? If you are fixed that okay, I want to do CA. Is it all right? And this was a question which was asked to me by one of the 12th standard faculty member. He says, sir, they have taken admission in Ahmedabad. What you will do by taking admission in Ahmedabad? You cannot go to Ahmedabad before November. Believe me, the situation in Ahmedabad is such, the physical classes will not open up till November. Now, if you want to still take admission in Ahmedabad, Lakshya Academy is the best institute. You are getting a full same access which NTI gives to other students, will give it to you. And this is one of the best classes. Naukar is one of the best classes in Ahmedabad. So you register over here, you will be getting dual benefit. Is it all right? Say, sir, even classes are not, I think that classes will not start in Bhavnagar. But say the situation might stabilize after 30 days. Or say 2 months, 3 months. Then also you can write down papers over here. Is it all right? You can come to classroom and write down at least prelims in physical classroom. That also will give you to much confidence. Is it all right? So it is always advisable if you are planning for Ahmedabad, it is foolish. Is it all right? Because I am going to give you that Ahmedabad classes for sure 100%. Sir, books of Naukar, yes, you will be getting. You will be getting books of Naukar also. You will be getting videos of Naukar also. Module from ICAI, from which Lakshya Academy faculty members will teach you. Start it. But yes, first 10 days you may attend the classroom without taking a call to do CA or not, or to join Lakshya or not.
Sir, if we want to give foundation in May, then
May 2022?
yes, sir.
Then it is not a very good decision which you are taking. You are having a chance to give your 12th standard in March 2022.
No, sir.
Why? You are having a, you can take a drop right now and give examination in March 2022.
But sir, how to do 12th and foundation together?
No, I am talking about only 12th. Don't do foundation in May 2020, May 2022. I am talking only about 12th. Whether you have explored this type of option, that you will take drop right now and you will give examination in March 2022. I am talking only about 12th standard.
No.
Then you should not go for even foundation. You should never think about it. Start. See, I'll tell you frankly something, Vandan. If you are a May student, for me, you are a regular student. If you are if you are November student for this 2021, for me, you are a regular student. If you are a May student, for me, you are a failure student. Is it all right? Normally, who gives examination in May is those who have failed in November 2021. Is it all right? So you should not automatically fail. You are having a chance to give it in November. That should never be an option. Your examination is due in your 12th standard examination is say due in June 2021. There is an option to give it in March 2022, but no one will even think about it, and you should not think in CA also. This type of thing. Is it all right? Any other questions? Otherwise, I'll go somewhat deep in Vandan's question. Vandan, your name is Vandan, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And your roll number is 50. Any other student? Kunal sir, you are still there? No, Kunal sir has left. I had a talk with Kunal sir also. I have confirmed with him, but let me also clarify some of the basic questions which Kunal sir was saying they hesitate to ask you. But you can always ask me any type of questions like, sir, Zoom lectures are only of 45 minutes. They are of 45 minutes. We are having a professional version of Zoom. We are paying money to Zoom and we are having unlimited. Is it all right? Even as far as participants are concerned, even as far as timing is concerned, I can take 5 hours lecture in Zoom. I have taken 5-hour lectures in marathon lectures in Zoom. So that will not be a problem. Is it all right? As far as technology wise, as far as quality of infrastructure wise, you be least concerned as far as our academy is concerned. Still after this meeting also, the questions, if any comes to your mind, are always open. You can text me, I can give you the answer. During the lectures also, after completion of lectures also, you may ask me any questions when we are joining it. I request all of you to join this classes because as I told you, first couple of days say you may just attend it, that what are the topics in CA, what are the subjects in CA. I will be starting with mercantile law, how what is in mercantile law, how interesting it is. All right, and you may attend it only for this particular purpose. But I request all of you to join it. Is it all right? Yes. Vandan asked me one question that, sir, is it possible that right now it is May 2021, my regular examination is November 2021. If you pass everything first trial, you will become chartered accountant in November 2025. That is practically January 2026. If you pass everything first trial. He gave me one option. Sir, can't I attend the examination instead of November 2021 of foundation? Let me appear in May 2022. Believe me, you will become chartered accountant in June 2026. Sir, what it makes difference if I become chartered accountant 6 months later? Believe me, it makes difference. There is a concept which is known as human resource. Your faculty, Kunal sir, is very expert in this. I am not expert in this, but they are termed as HR department. Each and every company will be human resource department that will be hiring you. Say you are going into bank, a corporate bank like Standard Chartered, for an interview. Sorry. Do you think they will know about this decision? That you were having a chance to give examination in November 2021, you were feared, or you thought that I will require more time, or you thought that I will be failing in November examination, so let me give it in May 2022 examination. Can they come to know? Can they come to know from any of your document? You are not having a failure result of November. Vandan, can you give me answer?
Yes, sir.
How?
They will see our full that foundation exam result and then
Foundation
once
exam
we-
result will be of May. You are not showing them November failure result.
Mhm.
What is your year of 12th?
21.
2021. Anyone who is taking your interview, believe me, will be having an HR team, human resource team. They will come to know you should pass in January 2026. If you are not passing, the reason might be corona, reason might be your fear, reason might be something, but they'll ask you the reason. What you will say then? I was feared in November examination and so I gave examination in May. I want to study more, so I gave examination in May. Believe me, none of the justification will give you a good job. Is it all right? So, even if you don't know, your graph has started. Your human resource team makes your graph. How you have performed in 12th, in which year you gave your 12th examination. When logically you should become chartered accountant, in which year? January 2026. You are coming for an interview in July 2026. They will probably, if it is a good company, they will not even hire you because of this decision. You might be intelligent enough, but don't take a decisions which don't show your boldness. Never be feared of anything. Is it all right? Giving the examination in May should not be an option. Try to pass a CA examination in first trial, and believe me, it is possible. Don't hear your lower standard faculty members, don't hear other students who are doing CA. Tell me, I will give you name of 100 CAs, at least 10 CAs from Bhavnagar, who will tell you that it is extremely easy to pass all the subjects of CA examination, first trial, both groups together as far as intermediate and final is concerned. So always, not in this case, always take decisions in your life which are bold, which are fearless. Don't be fear and take any decision. Don't have any fear and take any decisions. Always be fearless. All right. Believe me, someone is noting your each and every step. If you are going for job, of course, if you are going for practice, your client will not come to know whether you are first trial or not. But if you are having some chance of doing a job, believe me, don't take such decisions in your life. Sorry. If it is a medical emergency, believe me, it is explainable. Sorry. But otherwise, this is not explainable. Why you are passed in June 2026? Sorry. I'll give you just an example and we'll end this meeting. Sorry. I was in interview with JP Morgan Chase. We were instead of foundation, intermediate, final, we were having examinations of PE1. This was name of foundation. PE2 and final. Final has remained final from the day on which institute has started. In PE2, we were automatically having two options: to give this examination in 1 year, to give this examination in 1.5 years. Automatic, institute has given it that if you want to give in 1.5 years, it is all right. We understand the course is difficult. You need to give exam. You need a time, and so we are giving you time of 1.5 years. And this was termed as a crash. They term it as crash. If you want to give a crash examination, you can give it in 1 year. Sorry. When we passed PE2, when we passed final, JP Morgan Chase, this is a bank's name, huh? This is bank. JP Morgan took interview of only students who have passed, who have taken this option. They outwardly rejected the students who have selected this option. Even if they were first trial, believe me, even if they were all India rankers, they were outwardly rejected. Not because they are not intelligent, just because at an age of 21, they were having a fear. They were not fearless, and they wanted employees who are fearless. They can work in deadline. They can work in emergency. They want employees like this. And so this type of option. So whenever, not in this, whenever you get any option in your life, in your academic life, in your practical life, in your personal life, always take bold decision rather than decisions which is affected by that particular thing, fear. Is it all right? Is it all right, Vandan?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So we are ending this meeting. We will be meeting on 15th May 2021. Thank you all. Thank you. Good night.